a good morning to you. Welcome to Asake Online. My name is Zenzele Ndebele, and this is the Breakfast Club. Today we are bringing you a different program. Usually we talk politics, we talk problems, we talk all these things. But today we are talking about a story of success, a story of farming. We are in Kungubo in Plumtree, visiting one family that is actually doing well in terms of keeping small livestock. We are talking about turkeys, we are talking about ducks, goats, sheep, dogs, and all sorts of small animals. And we are basically interested in trying to understand from this family how they've managed to run this project. The father figure, or the father in this family, works in South Africa. And I've been talking to him over WhatsApp, and he's been really, crying and complaining about COVID and lockdown because it has affected him, because mostly he buys his feed in South Africa and sends back home. But because of lockdown, the borders are closed, there's no transportation, he's not able to send the feed, which is a strain to the family here. But we visited the homestead just to share this story of success, to find out how they are doing. And one interesting thing that they told us, they said, no, we're keeping these things so that we can feed ourselves. So namhla sikombele sizokudla inyama, sizofunda ngezifuyo, sizobona okuhle abakwenzayo.
Isigaba lesinye sakokungubo, and then esincane sakhona sikonswaya.
Okay.
Eluvuluma.
Yes, siyabona lapha lezifuyo eziningi. Ngasho ukuthi lifuyeni.
Sifuye izimvu, imbuzi, inkukhu, izintshe, Ostrich, lengalukhuni, thendele, peacock.
Abantu abaningi bakhala ngendlala nje ezigabeni eziningi. Thina likufida ngalo kwezinto.
Ukudla lokhu ubaba useGoli, so ube esithengela ukudla kwezifuyo zona lezi kubuya ngapha ekhaya. Manje okwakathesi njengoba isimo sinje, izifuyo zami ziyafa ngendlala, azilanto ezidlayo.
Liyathengisa yini ukuthi izifuyo?
Siyathengisa okunye kwakhona, but okuningi kwakhona siyadla inyama.
Ovele lapho iphekwa ngomhluzi weyinyama.
Hayi inyama siyadla. Siyadla sibili, asila ukuthi siyacela kubaba masifuna nje. Siyahlaba siyadla, lakathesi nje nasana imvu sihlabile siyadla inyama.
Kuhlupha kunganani okwezinto khona ukugcina kule mkhuhlane kumbe akuyaziphilela nje kulankinga?
Hayi imkhuhlane ilokhu bakhona, but ubaba uyathenga imithi yakhona ukuthi sivikele emkhuhlaneni.
Lingathini kwabanye abantu mhlawumbe bayafuna ukugcina izifuyo njengani? Kulula okunganani?
Hayi kulula kodwa kunzima. Khona ngathi kunzima uma kungela kudla, kodwa uma kule kudla kulula, kulamanzi kulula ekufuyeni kwakhona.
Siyabona lapha kulamanzi indawo yonke. Lagebha umgodi. Ngibona amadada lapha afuna yini amanzi ukuthi ebhukutshe kumbe azihambela nje lapha ungabile.
Amadada ngiyawafakela ebhavini, kule bhavu lapha ayabhukutsha. Sometimes kule damu lapha ekhaya ngiyathelela amanzi ngilokhu angenisa phakathi entsheni zemanzini.
Ilikhayelela ukuthi ibhizinesi ingathi likuthatha njengebhizinesi yini okuyinto lokhu kumbe into nje lezenzela yona nje ngokuzikholisa?
Hayi ngizakwenza ibhizinesi ngokuya kwesikhathi. Mangikubona lami sokuthi ngithengise.
Engakutsho nje ukuthi kulula kuye yena umnikazi wazo, ngoba nanzelela ukuthi iziphiwo sakhe, ngoba abanye bayazama into zakhona ziphumelele but yena kuye kukhanya kulula. So sikuthatha ukuthi maybe isiphiwo sakhe.
So kwabanye kuyabe kusehlula.
Maybe uthando lwakho babe bengalalo basuka bekubone maybe kube nzima ngoba yena vele kwasekukhuleni kwakhe wayeqale esasemncane vele wayethiya amajuba efuya amajuba kusase izinyoni zeganga. So kusho ukuthi vele kwasukela khomphana kuye. Mina nje njengomfowabo angilazo izinto lezo nolazo. So yena kuye kulula kakhulu ngoba lokuzifida kwakhe vele kukhanya kulula.
likhule lonke vele bethanda ukwelusa bengumuntu nje.
Vele yena ukhule ethanda izifuyo kakhulu. Konke lokhu inyoni zeganga vele bezithanda. So vele kuye kulula kakhulu ngoba into zakhe lezi vele uyakwanisa ukuthi ezispendele imali ukuthi ethenge konke ukudla. Like vele into esiyiphoqile lockdown ngoba vele wayethenga phela uthola ukuthi imota zabo malayitsha ziyabuya khona bazitshiya ukudla kwazo. Maybe igrocery yabantwana ingekho kuleya nezinyoni. Yabo.
So njengabomakhelwane kodwa uyalencourage yini njengoba uthi lami unxele kwesinye isikhathi ngazama ukugcina ukulijuba okuyi-1 lapho ngibona ukuthi
Hayi yena ekufuyeni thina siyabe singalankinga lakho but abanye ngaphandle omakhelwane uyathola ukuthi maybe bagcina sebecomplaina ngezifuyo zolezo ukuthi kuningi kakhulu but thina siyabe singakuboni kukuningi siyabe sikubona ukuthi lathi kunje. Silabantu emangweni siyabe sibalayela ukuthi hayi mali ihambe emgwaqweni laphana kule nyoni lezana eziningi sesiba-director khona lokho ukuthi hayi lingahamba endaweni eso laphana kule nyoni eziningi like intshe like ezigaba zona lezi sonke from Plumtree kona la intshe abaningi bayiqalile ukuyibona khona abayazi. Iphikoko yilo abalokukhala ngalo kakhulu ngoba iphikoko liyaquma phela imbhida yabantu liyakwanisa ukuthi liphaphe liflaye liyequma imbhida yabantu lihambe phela liyahamba phela uthola ukuthi maybe liyabe lihambile ampri kubo 2 kilometers 3 kilometers. Liyakwanisa ukuthi liflaye iphikoko lihambe phela uzwa abantu sebekhala bethi inyoni zakombele lapha hey zisilimazile embhideni.
One of the business persons in Zimbabwe, Strive Maziwa, is advocating for rural economies. And having visited this project and seen what people are doing here, it is possible, very possible, that with the right advice, skill, and capitalization, this can be a project that is very viable and can develop rural economies. It's a project that can also be scalable and lent or borrowed to other people in the neighboring areas. So I think, and I still think that there is need to give to this family a bit of more advice, technical advice, that is, teach them or train them on how they can actually scale up their project. See it not only as a project to feed themselves, but also to keep these birds for business, for export, and many other projects. But I'm quite excited that in the rural areas, here, Kitty, Plumtree, there are people with such good ideas, there are people with such interesting projects, and it gives hope that the future of rural areas, the future of rural communities, the future of rural economies is very bright. And there are so many things that can be done, because the good thing here is if you have water, you have the land, anything is possible. My name is Zenzele Ndebele. Till we meet again from other projects, othinti nasiye kudla inyama kombele njoba libona nje ukuthi imvu ibulewe lapha.